cooking up stew Red Cedar style. Volunteers joined the Red Cedar Elementary School's faculty and staff today, chopping, peeling, and cutting. Students and staff members were encouraged to bring their favorite vegetables for the special stew.
So some of the ingredients we've never heard of before, and we try to have the students experience all different types. So malanga, all plantains. They've never tried some of these. So blending all of these ingredients together kind of sends a message that we are better, all blended together for the greater good.
All the prep work is being done today. Tomorrow the stew will be cooked, and Thursday the entire school will taste it. But before cooking can begin,
And then one recipe serves how many?
4th and 5th graders are in their classrooms using their math skills to figure out how many ingredients are needed to feed the entire school.
I divided 10 divided by 743 because there's 743 students in the school, including staff, and one stew has 10 people.
The recipe that was on the board was served 10 people. So, and I got 74 with a remainder of 3. So then I know that I need 74 pots.
Firefighters from Bluffton came to lend a hand, as well as several parents, including one who's an executive chef. They say it's great to help out, and all the money raised from selling the leftover stew will be put to good use.
Well, I tell you what, as firefighters, we often see people on their worst day. So when we got the call from the staff here at Red Cedar to come and spend some time cutting vegetables, helping pay off some overdue lunch bills for some students that probably need a little help this time of year, it was a no-brainer.
Just the opportunity to give back a little bit. We spend all of our lives work, and this is just an opportunity to kind of partner with a really cool program, great school, and obviously I'm a little biased, my son goes here, but just get out and do something different with the community.
This is the 10th year the school has cooked the stew at Red Cedar Elementary School. Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.